So I got some Nongshim Tonkotsu.
Nongshim Tonkotsu. So Nongshim is a Korean company, and they normally do Korean noodles, and I love their Korean noodles. They have the seafood, and they have this really spicy kimchi, but this is kind of different because it's Tonkotsu, so it's Japanese.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. So you had Tonkotsu ramen before, right?
I've never had
No?
Tonkotsu
Oh,
ramen. No.
So this will be the first for Gary, and this is going to be the first time we're trying this. These came from our friend Rock, so he knows that we're trying out different noodle bowls, so we're going to be trying this out today. As always, I'm going to go with chopsticks. You're going to use forks?
Oh yeah, fork
Chopsticks against forks. So we're going to go ahead and get this filled up with water, and it says microwave for 4 minutes. And it's 3.5 minutes for al dente, 4 minutes for medium, and 4.5 minutes for soft.
I could try something you don't do. Could do
All
like
right,
a
so
tonkotsu on a
I'm
dente.
good. I like it al dente,
Ooh.
right? So I'll go second. Let's
Okay.
fill up yours. We're gonna go boil some water, add it to this, then microwave.
I'm good with that. Let's eat it.
Let's do it. So we're ready to eat. I spent 3.5 minutes in the microwave. You did 4. Go ahead and dig in, man. Forks first.
All right, let's go.
Don't forget to blow it a little bit.
Yeah, maybe we should blow.
It's very hot. You can see a little bit of a black garlic sediment around there too. And obviously, they use some good quality product there.
That's good ramen.
Good.
I like it. I like
How's
it.
the noodles?
I feel like this is very reminiscent of, coming home from school a little bit. That's kind of bringing me back. Noodle, as far as texture, man, it's very noodly. I gotta
Very
tell you,
noodly.
very noodly.
Now,
Okay.
here's how I like to have it. And then just. And you're slurping the noodles in, and you're inhaling, you're getting that back of the throat flavor in there. Now you really get a sense of the gestalt of it all. The whole, the noodles, the broth. I think they did a very good job making this. Yeah, the noodles are perfect consistency, and they said, if you want al dente, do it for 3.5 minutes, and it turned out perfect. You want to try what I just did?
So just slurp it?
No, just get a good portion.
Good portion? Whoa.
It's much easier to do with your chopsticks, but I'm not judging.
Okay. Here we go. Slurp.
No, make sure you just take some cool.
Yeah, all right.
And then.
That was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. That's something I'm gonna bring home. Start doing all the time.
This is our first noodle review. So we're gonna go on a grading system, okay? Cecil and Ebert, thumbs, so since you're forks and I'm chopsticks, we'll do a chopsticks up and chopsticks down. I give this a chopsticks up. I think they executed very well. The directions are very well put together because it turned out very noodly, as you said.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm giving it a chopsticks up. I mean, this is something like
Your forks, remember?
Oh, forks up. I'm gonna give this a forks up. First time, guys.
First time.
I'm giving this a forks up. I think mainly too just how easy it is to make and how good it is too. Like you're not gonna miss out on good ramen from eating this. And I think if you're a college kid out there too, this is where it's at. Not the baby food. Okay, stop eating that. Grow up.
Even in high school.
Yeah.
Even in high school, you can have this. We're gonna be looking for other fun noodles to try. Not just instant, but we're gonna be trying takeout, right? And we're gonna bring some nice experiences your way. So till next time, chopsticks up.
Forks up.
Chopsticks.
Forks. Just said nudes.
Yeah.